unemployment. Greasy anticlimax, general disappointment. Thanks for the mess, but I want my fucking money back. I'm deep in the red and I want my fucking money back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back my abilities, haven't got facilities.
Back home where my heart used to be, and I wish that you would realize I'm all that you need. It don't work like that, no, it's not easy to fill this gap that you left in me without a trace.